Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap Laurel local and long-distance movers near me. Moving abroad or to another state can be a little intimidating, adding to the stress of moving all your possessions to a new place. Our long-distance movers make the moving process easy and simple, regardless of how far you need to go. In Laurel, 3 Movers is a licensed and insured company. We provide affordable prices along with fast and reliable shipping. Our movers are experts in packing your valuable items and keeping them safe during a long trip. We believe in delivering your belongings safe and sound at your doorstep. Moreover, we have an insurance policy in our company and take full responsibility for the breakage and damaged goods. Moving can be a demanding task if you are doing it all by yourself. You have to deal with everything from packing to moving your things when it comes to relocating. Our movers have a long-time experience in providing moving services. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Laurel moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.